How to fix Face ID not working in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option Face ID and passcode. Now click on Face ID and passcode. Now enter your current passcode. Now here you can reset your Face ID and set up your Face ID again. After reset your Face ID, then set up your Face ID again. After set up your Face ID, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then click on general and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, it will fix your problem. If it doesn't fix your problem, then restart your device. Restart your device can solve minor glitches. After that, scroll down and click on transfer or reset iPhone and then click on erase all content and settings. Now click on continue. After erase all the contents and settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.